What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Tyler, and today we have a very special video. I would not be up at 5:30 on the road on a Thursday if it weren't. So it is currently 5:30 in the morning. Like I said, I have a 45-minute drive out to LA to pick up the most iconic piece of our build for the Cayman 432 GT build. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and click right here. It will bring you to the video of the renderings that were created by my buddy Supreme Kuruk. Okay, those renderings are absolutely amazing, and you would have a better understanding about what is going on with this build, and I think you would know what piece we're getting right now. But I'm heading out to American International Racing. I paired up with John. He's such a cool guy, and I appreciate all the help that he's been giving me with this project. And I'm very excited to say the least, to come pick this piece up. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, so we just pulled up here to American International Racing. We gotta go across the street here. I'm very excited. I don't even know which way I'm supposed to go in, but here we go. This swing, very exciting. Here it is. We have the GT2 wing inside the car. Looking at this now, this is awesome. I appreciate John and everybody down in American International Racing. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. We're probably gonna have to shorten this. I don't know. I'm excited. Let's get this back to the house and figure out what's gonna need to happen. But here's the start of the GT2 wing. I'm excited. Picking up this video where I left it off. It's been probably 3 weeks since the last time you guys saw me pick this wing up. Today, we are finally doing something with it. If you guys don't remember, this beautiful man over here, Kyle.
What's up?
It's great to have you back in the vlogs, man.
Super beautiful, appreciate it.
It's always great to have Kyle here around for the videos, because Kyle said he would help me put on this RWB quote-unquote style wing, right?
I didn't promise, so we might be able to renege on that a little bit.
Yeah, you said that you were gonna help me make this fit perfectly, right?
I didn't say percentage of help, but sure.
So we're gonna get Kyle's first reaction to this wing. Here it is, Kyle.
That's a big one. That's massive.
You see this? It's huge, Kyle.
Well, that looks fun.
So your initial thoughts, Kyle?
This is like one of those weird presents you think you want, but you really don't.
So this wing is from American International Racing. This is an actual, genuine they use for their race cars. It's a lot heavier than I thought.
It's pretty freaking heavy. I guess I have to see your car and we'll start playing around with it.
I think we can shave a lot of weight off this. We're gonna have to cut this regardless because this piece hangs too low, so I think we're gonna chop it. I have a few ideas of how we can make this work. You tell me if that's a feasible thing, because...
Oh, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
I know for sure. We were gonna smash this together for SEMA, but now we're not.
No, this one's gonna be a good one.
It's gonna be a good one, to say the least, right?
Yep.
All right, so we have the car pulled in here. We have the wings set up. Again, huge thank you to American International Racing for making me one of these. They actually went out of their way to fabricate one of these out of a mold just for me, which was pretty awesome. Now we have this wonderful man again, Kyle. I want to say thank you, Kyle, for even attempting to guide me in the right direction on how to do this. If you guys haven't seen the video where we created the 3D renderings of this car and what the final product is going to look like, go ahead and check out that video right now before you come here, because then you would have a better understanding of what we're doing. So right now we're taking this wing. I know it's a 3.8 RS wing from like a 911 Turbo, but my inspiration, the reason I'm taking this is because it's like an iconic RWB thing. I've been a huge fan of RWB forever, since I was like a young boy. I have posters of RWB cars that sat in my room, and for the longest time I always said I would get one, and this is as close as I'm gonna get.
Nah, one day.
One day.
One day.
I will tell you right now, when I came out with this idea and I posted it on social media, tons of people hit me up saying that a car very similar to the rendering that I made exists in Japan. And then I did check it out, and they did make this wing happen.
There are some very talented people over there, that's for sure.
That's So the plan of attack for right now, Kyle, what do you say our first strategy to even fathom, to even contemplate taking this piece right here and fitting it onto here?
Well, so far looking at it, our width is decent. So we have the right width, close to it from our width here to the width up there, and the same thing on the bottom.
Yeah, he's
so
talking about right here to the trunk.
So it's got the same upper width and the lower width as what you have down here.
Yeah, I've already.
But again, what you've already looked at before,
too long.
This is way too long, this section. So we need to have 22 inches maximum, and that's about right there.
Long story short, this is just gonna be this whole video series of us mounting this. I'm gonna keep saying this quote unquote RWB style because that's the style that I'm chasing. It's not an actual RWB wing, but we're gonna be filming the process and everything that it took for us and myself, primarily myself. I'm gonna do a lot of the work to get this on here with the guidance of Kyle to try and see what the best methods are to get this done, because obviously we want to do it the right way. It's probably going to take a long time. It's going to be a lot of repetitive work, so there might be like a compilation of different videos and many days of just working with this, right, Kyle?
Days.
Weeks.
More like weeks.
Maybe months. I want this to be perfect, so I really don't want to take any shortcuts. If it takes longer for us to do something, then so be it. I'm saying that now. Watch.
Yeah, you're saying that now. I don't know, when we did the Genesis, it was there too, and then it kind of got down a little bit.
Again, doing body work. The hopes and aspirations are gonna start here. We'll see where they end up. We're gonna start doing, this is gonna be our first day, an introduction of putting the RWB wing on. We're gonna kind of give you guys the first glimpse of what we're gonna try and do and plans of attack to get this thing on here. Now it's the nerve-wracking part, because this part was very expensive. American International Racing, I'm sorry for you to watch all your hard work go to waste while we cut this. And all my money go to waste when this doesn't work.
That would suck, but we'll make it work.
We'll make it work.
We'll make it work.
I'm sorry, Kyle, I'm gonna ruin your garage again with fiberglass and stuff. Hey, I mean, it is what it is, right, Kyle?
It is what it is.
For all of you guys hitting up Kyle for Wattbox information, he loves it. Continue to do that.
Yeah,
even if it's a random Prius or Honda and you want the wiring diagram, hit him up. Kyle has those all archived in his noggin. So when
2002 Nissan Altima, I got that one for you.
Yep.
No, I don't.
Any of them. Anything.
Shut up.
Kyle has all the wiring diagrams memorized. So ask him and he will be able to point you in the exact direction that you need. Somebody's calling you.
Maybe it's for Wattbox.
Probably is.
See how close or not even close at all.
How close we are.
Yeah, not close. So we have a lot of room to go. It wasn't even close, and it's still not even close.
Yeah, not even close. Not even a tiny bit closer. That's not saying we're gonna get discouraged. I knew this was gonna be a big project. A very extensive project, and to be expected when you're making something fully custom, right? They don't make anything like this for us on the market, and so
gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep. If we do make this, I'm gonna say this right now, if we do make this removable, Kyle, and we successfully make this removable, I wanna know how many people would think it would be worth it, and if you guys would buy it in the Porsche community if we took this somewhere to make a mold. Because I think that totally, all the work that we did would be kind of cool to see a product that people buy.
Yeah.
Maybe that might be the move to make all of our time worth it. Kyle and I are gonna kind of look at this a little bit more. I don't know if we're gonna cut a little bit more, but we're gonna wrap our heads around what we need to do to make this work. We've cut, we've measured,
we hoped, we prayed a little bit,
and we've theorized, hypothesized, we've
made a plan.
We've developed a plan.
As it sits, we need to do two things. We need to make a base for it. So we figured out to make a mounting structure for this, we're going to do some layers of fiberglass down over the entire backside of the trunk. Probably about 4 to 5 layers of fiberglass, so that eventually we can bolt into that and then fiberglass in some nuts into the backside of it. And then later we'll use this piece and actually combine the two. We'll have to trim this out a little bit more and also make some risers on it because now it's sitting a little bit too low. But that's what we're planning to attack. We'll make a base, make sure the base is mountable to the car, and then we'll figure out how to mount this to the base.
So there is a lot of work to be had, but we have a decent idea where we're gonna go. We're hoping, obviously, this is new to myself, and this is relatively new to Kyle as well. So we may lay down all these sheets of fiberglass right here, making a base, like we're saying, and then we find out that that doesn't work. We'll let you guys know along the way of like what happens, but as of right now, we feel like that's the best idea.
Seems like the best plan of attack.
Yeah, best plan of attack. And it's a place to start because as of right now, we have no way to mount this whatsoever to the car, nor do we have any way really to get the shape of it, right?
Yeah, correct. Along with, as you see where we're sitting now, it's too wide in the back and too short in the front, and then it has the wrong curvature and everything of the trunk, and instead of trying to make this fit anymore to the car, we're going to make the piece fit to this piece.
That's the idea. That's the plan. Decent amount of work, and it gave us a huge insight of like what needs to happen to make this a reality. Looking at this now, I'm really excited. I don't know how excited Kyle is. It's going to be a ton of work, and I don't know how long it's actually going to be before we see this come to fruition and be mounted, painted, bolted to the car and out at a show.
Yeah, even at a show, we don't know when those are going to happen.
Yeah. Let's do a quick walk around, show you guys kind of where we're sitting at right now, and then that's gonna be it for this video. Did not mean to make a mess in your garage.
It's all right. I forgive you.
Okay. Well, that's it for this video. You guys got the first look at our RWB inspired wing, our one-off custom wing that myself and Kyle will be building. The plan is to create small tasks that are achievable. Don't look too far into the future. We're just gonna put our head down and start working and accomplish small tasks at a time. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this video, comment down below, let us know what you guys think of the wing and how difficult this is gonna be. We already know. We don't need you guys to jam it down our throats in the comments like, you guys are retarded, this is gonna take forever.
Anything that's good takes time.
Yeah, it takes time. There you go, Kyle, something that I should have learned on the Genesis. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. We're only 80,000 away.
Yeah, you're close.
80,000.
Just like our spoiler.
Just that's about as close as the wing is. So hopefully by the time the wing makes it, we make it, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Yep. All right. That's it. Thank you, Kyle. We'll see you guys later. Bye.